Fish smoking requires precision, as excessive heat can easily ruin delicate seafood. Many popular smokers on the market are often too powerful for fish, risking overcooking and compromising flavor. Recognizing this common challenge, we've conducted extensive tests and reviews to identify the best fish smokers available. There are many fish smokers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best fish smoker from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Smokehouse Little Chief Front Load Smoker. The Smokehouse Little Chief Front Load Smoker is a reliable and user-friendly electric smoking solution designed for enthusiasts who appreciate simplicity and consistency. Maintaining a steady low temperature of 165 degrees, this smoker ensures optimal smoking conditions without the risk of overcooking, making it perfect for salmon, sausage, and other delicate foods. With its straightforward operation, you simply plug it into a standard household outlet, load your prepared food onto the racks above the drip pan, and let the Little Chief work its magic. No need to fuss with complicated Bluetooth or Wi-Fi controls. Despite its compact size, this smoker boasts an impressive capacity of up to 25 pounds, allowing you to smoke large batches of ribs, jerky, or salmon with ease. Number 2. Dynaglow Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker. The Dynaglow Vertical Offset Charcoal Smoker offers an impressive 1890 square inches of total cooking space with 6 height-adjustable cooking grates, each capable of holding up to 25 pounds of food. Its porcelain-enameled steel charcoal chamber ensures efficient briquette stacking for improved burn efficiency. The smoker features a charcoal and ash management system with a sliding, removable steel ash pan designed for hours of maintenance-free cooking. The vertical design promotes naturally rising heat for greater efficiency and enhanced smoke flavor, while the offset design keeps direct heat away from the food, allowing for slow cooking. An adjustable flue in the smokestack provides additional flavor and temperature control. The built-in stainless steel thermometer includes AZA's Smoke Zone indicator for ideal smoking temperature and an easy-to-read gauge to help achieve perfectly smoked foods. Number 3. Cuisinart Vertical Charcoal Smoker. The Cuisinart Vertical Charcoal Smoker is a compact and efficient smoking solution for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. Featuring two 16 stainless steel racks, it offers a generous 402 square inches of cooking space, allowing you to smoke a variety of meats and vegetables simultaneously. The porcelain enamel water bowl helps maintain moisture and enhance flavor during the smoking process. This smoker's dual air vent system, consisting of top and bottom vents, provides precise temperature control and optimal smoke circulation. The latching base ensures stability and security during use, while the vertically hinged door allows for easy access to the cooking chamber and fuel compartment. Designed with convenience and performance, the Cuisinart Vertical Charcoal Smoker is perfect for backyard barbecues, family gatherings, and outdoor entertaining. Its vertical design maximizes space efficiency, making it suitable for both small patios and larger outdoor cooking areas. Number 4. Masterbuilt Rear Digital Electric Vertical Barbecue Smoker. The Masterbuilt Digital Electric Vertical Barbecue Smoker offers a sophisticated smoking experience with its user-friendly digital controls, allowing you to set your desired temperature up to 275 GF in cooking time for effortless smoking. Its patented side wood chip loader enables continuous smoke flavor addition without opening the door, preserving heat, smoke, and moisture for succulent results. The removable water bowl ensures optimal moisture levels, yielding juicy and tender meats, while also providing an opportunity to experiment with various juice flavors for unique taste profiles. Boasting a spacious vertical design with 711 square inches of cooking space, this smoker accommodates up to 6 chickens, 2 turkeys, 4 pork butts, or 4 racks of ribs. 4 chrome-coated smoking racks are included, offering versatility and ample space for your smoking needs. Number 5. Smokehouse Products Big Chief Electric Smoker. The Smokehouse Products Big Chief Electric Smoker offers a hassle-free smoking experience, maintaining a steady 165 deg temperature to ensure optimal smoking without overcooking delicate foods like salmon or sausage. Simply plug it into a standard outlet. Load your prepared food onto one of the 5 racks above the drip pan and let it work its magic. No complex Bluetooth or Wi-Fi controls required. With an impressive 50-pound capacity, this smoker accommodates large batches of ribs, jerky, or salmon effortlessly. The removable wood chip pan allows for easy replenishment without opening the door, preventing heat loss and temperature fluctuation. Choose your favorite smokehouse wood chips to infuse your meats with rich, smoky flavor. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a smoking novice, the Big Chief electric smoker combines simplicity, capacity, and consistent performance to help you achieve mouth-watering results every time. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.